What's up? It's Jasmine Nakia back again with another makeup tutorial. This is going to be a talk through on how I get this flawless, matte, blushy, bronzy look on nice caramel skin. So watch out. Now I will tell you guys, I already have kind of like the basics done, right? Because I wanted to show you again how I get the very matte powdery look without it looking cakey and nasty. For the foundation, I used I used the Bobbi Brown cream foundation sticks. I love the Bobbi Brown cream foundation sticks. They literally are amazing on the skin, okay? And for concealer, I'm really obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Too Faced. Now, the Anastasia Beverly Hills can get a little heavy. A little bit goes a long way, okay? Here you see me kind of dusting that powder off. I have noticed taking a smaller detailer brush works very well with making sure the under eye gets seamless. So if you start with a bigger brush and then go to a smaller brush, it will work better like that. So I do kind of recommend you do that. I do like to take a big fluffy brush, kind of blend it all in before I go in with a powder puff. A powder puff is the secret to the perfect matte look, okay? And that brush, it may have looked like I was being a bit abrasive, but I'm not. I'm using very, very, very light strokes before I go in with the powder puff, because the powder puff, you want to take the powder that is the same color as your client and basically press everything together and make it nice and seamless. So if you see slowly but surely that line is disappearing. And you literally want to just keep doing that until it's completely seamless. All over the nose, all over the blush, all over the face. You want to take an all over face powder or a really nice setting powder of your choice. And you want to just continuously blot it in. And you don't want to be too abrasive because you don't want to move any of the products. So this is basically what I do to get that perfect, flawless, photo ready. Don't matter if you under HD lights or what, sis, okay? This is going to be perfect for making the face flawless. I thoroughly enjoy a lash, okay? These lashes are in the style Westia on jasminenakia.com. They do ship same day. As you guys see, all of my strip lashes mimic eyelash extensions because let's be real, eyelash extensions is the top tier, okay? I'm just here to spare y'all in the meantime, but eyelash extensions is definitely the way to go. So my strip lashes do mimic that. I'm going in with like some super basic mascara. I'm not really too picky on my bottom lash mascara or any mascara for that reason because I feel like it's all kind of the same. If someone doesn't have a lot of lashes, I love to use a mascara primer. That really, really, really helps them get nice and fluffy and thick. I am obsessed with making sure those lashes look flawless, okay? Looks like they're growing out of the eye. Ever since I got eyelash extensions, I just feel like strip lashes can look so janky. So just make sure they're nice and blended with your real lashes and make sure they do not move from the lash line. Also, make sure your client doesn't start tearing up at this part. I always give a nice fan and just tell them to keep blinking. I do enjoy a really nice nose contour, but I love a good nose highlight. So I'm just putting a little bit of highlight on her nose, and I do think this is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I love, love, love the Glow Kit. Anastasia Beverly Hills and MAC Cosmetics has some of those like standard makeup products that you literally cannot live without. Now I'm going to go in and douse my client's face with the MAC Matte Fix Plus. It is hands down the best setting spray. I love the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray too. That is one of my faves, but this product is bomb, okay? And as you guys see, her face just looks flawless. For the blush, I used a liquid lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. It's a straight orange color, and then I topped it with the Juvia's Place blush palette. I love the blush palette.